Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? You know what it is? It's your boy LBK Rosani Africa. We are back with another bang. Episode number 10. Yeah, we're on double digits now. Wow. Hey, bro, like it seems like it's been long, bro. But now, I feel like because of episode 10, I guess soon there's episode 50, soon 100. But I ask guys because, yo, it's been a crazy week. Today's Friday. Like, new music is out like Java just dropped. Like I was literally talking to someone. Like he was like, "Yo, I thought when you told me like, yo, Java's dropping like an album, not like a live band." I'm like, "Yo, bro, you saw like even in the track list that he was showing that it's a live concert that he did. So he was live recording. So I was like, damn, you didn't know that? I was like, nah, this dear guy, but Java dropped, but this is the best album. And also there are many people who drop like because of I guess it's because of his Friday, like literally this the first Friday of the of the month, the last one of the month. So I feel like maybe it is what is making me people to drop. Because like, even Makazi drop, even Nasate drop, Blakey drop like sign freestyle. I guess even that we have to talk about it like later on in the episode. Like many shit has been going on. Of course, how can we talk about the war? They are trying to come at us. They're trying to get us. But nah, they can't do anything. They can't do. Actually, let's start there. Let's start there. So the Rwanda president is declaring a war with us as South Africans. I guess we are not prepared for that. They are not prepared for us. I guess they just feel like because of we just a country, but of course, just that the Minister of Defense, like your Ejim Cheka, what do they do? That's the problem. You see, so we need like strong person who knows what he's doing or she's doing. So, but I guess it's a great thing because of we got good relationship with Russia and Cuba. That's what we need. Because of if it's Rwanda is fighting with us now, that is going to involve USA. You know, due to the Palestine and the Israel war, which was happening in Gaza. So I feel like it will be it is going to involve USA. So per se, I feel like even if USA is involved in some type of way, I guess we're not scared of USA. We're not scared. We're the South Africans, man. We can. They can't do anything to us. But I'm just saying, bro. Hey, it's just that yo, America you're better like in terms of everything, like America you're better like the technologies advanced. I guess just that name. We can just look at South Africa and say like yo, South Africa is not really like a developed country per se. It's not a develop. We're still developing. We're trying to develop. So I guess we can compete with USA. But if it's war is war, I guess they have to bring the best. I guess South Africa is a nuclear. They were using nuclear in terms of what do we call it there in Cape Town for electricity. Yeah, I guess Jacob Zuma got us a nuclear. I guess so. I think so. I think we have a nuclear. So I don't feel like we are scared of them. Gaza, they must come at us. We'll come at them. What the South Africans they say, wow, bah, bro. Like I feel like is this is now where we have to question the leadership of Ramaphosa. Where is he leading us to? You know what I'm saying? Is the GNU working? You know what I'm saying? Like because of you can't just sit around like think like bro like for another president to say he's declaring a war to us as a country per se, it's because of maybe there's something that has happened, and because of I don't know, it's because of the soldiers that we sent there. I think they are in Ivory Coast or somewhere there in the middle, and there are South African soldiers who are dying. So that's where the problem is. So they can't do it like that. I guess we just need a strong president. I guess it's time, bro. Like he must just leave the office, bro. Like the economy is at shambles, everything is at shambles. Like for real. Like I feel like Ramaphosa just leave the office. Just that the problem is that who will take the office? You know, we can't say Panyaza is gonna. Is it Banyas? Is Banyas the list of not Banyas? Who's the deputy president? Yeah, whoever. But who is something? Is David something? So I guess who will be the president of us? Like who? I mean, in case if things started to be in shambles like right now, and Ramaphosa has to be removed, who? And the power has to come from GNU, who? And they will push the DA to get the president, and if they, but that will never happen. Will never allow that shit. There will be no white president. That has to come because of we can't allow a white president to come and lead us. But I guess should we just give a white person a term, maybe? Just that. What if he led us to what has happened years ago? So I guess I just have to find the proper presidents, like for real, like what the president is does go working for people, working for the office, like I know to office in South Africa, like literally, I don't know to namuti, and I think sorry if was namutu coffee office is that hand because of like chimana chingwe chico collapse, like literally. Yes, we could just say yes, Escom is really like you go shoot at with Mara. If Rokoya for real, like that's internet kudura, man, everything, like everything. Education is not they will say education is free, bro. Like literally it's not free. Even if they are giving you NSFAS, what does NSFAS do? Put everything, bro. Like I guess we just have to hustle, bro. Like we just have to hustle harder. That's it. That's it. That's it, bro. Yo, the other thing, bro. I was just seeing like I'm with my guy one day and like he just look, yo, bro, look what happened. I'm like, what? It's like, yo, bro, there's someone dead. I'm like, dead? Where? It's like, yo, in zone 4. I'm like, where? So so in my cousin, so I live at zone 2. This zone 1 is I live at Madomija. There's Madomija zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. There's no zone 3, it's zone 4. I don't know. Unless there's why was in zone 3 una zone 4, but nine zone 4. There is a field like a ground but on the ball, so the team will use a finger. So after not if it dangerous something, if it dangerous something like longer. So I plan of that. Then there is a corner village for people to book and some things, So I police them of you. There's someone who has found dead, and it's a man. Nothing. I could do a mini. So I guess I've been good to the like question, like literally like those have ever go one of you like literally every time, bro. Like not so long ago, someone was dead. They kill us. So I guess we're not safe, bro. Like literally, we're not safe. I guess it's that thing. Chabo Makabu much safer. But I just that's not what you know what I'm saying. So I guess we just have to watch out, bro. Like na vhathu vanenge haningei nane fhethu vha khou vhona hu khou pfi o lovha muthu oyo a khou pfi a ḓivhei ndi wa nnyi, like hapeni huna zwithu zwinzhi muthu anga soko o lovha hanefho hu sokou vheiwa vha tshi khou ḓo vha khou mu dzhia obviously mapholisa hapeni miya yawe iwe yo sala hanefho vhathu masiku vha tshi fhira fhala fhethu hu itea mini. Like literally ndi zwiṅwe zwithu zwine ri tea u ṱwa ri zwi sedze, like hapeni also a u khou pfi a ḓivhei muthu, so if hu khou pfi a ḓivhei that's a problem because of ndi zwezwi zwa muthu u ḓo sokou dzula a sokou dzula hanefhaḽa lwa tshikhala ende ri sa ḓivhi zwo ri hu khou itea mini khae, ri sa ḓivhi zwo ri hu khou itea mini khae na zwo ri ndi na wana u sokou wana miṅwe sokou pfi fhaḽa fhethu tsini na mudavhi wa vhuṱali hune so ende zwi vha zwi khou khoswa nga zwezwi zwithu ngori vhathu vha vha ḓa vha dzhia miṅwe. Just that a thi tu vhathu na vhathu vha ordinary na vhathu vhane vha vhona zwiṅwe zwithu. Ni a wana muṅwe muthu a tshi kona u zwi fiḽa na muthu a tshi nga fhira hanefhaḽa fhethu nga 7 but a u sa itei tshithu khae, then na wana hu na muṅwe muthu ane a nga fhira nga tshiṅwe nga late na wana mara a tshi khou kona u zwi nga tshetshiḽa tshifhinga mara a tshi khou kona u zwi vhona hezwiḽa zwithu. So I don't know, so maybe zwi nga zwine muthu a vha like me I haven't seen anything Like this futhi funa mini, but actually understand. Literally, I haven't seen anything, bro. Like, hey, I just wonder, bro. Like, what would I do? Like, if you could really like sing like shit, like like, hey, I'll fucking run, nigga. Like, I'll run anyway, bro. Like you, some shit are crazy, yo. Damn, there's this spiritual shit. Damn, this shit is crazy. And they say you must know. Most of people who told me about these things, they told me, yo, you must not talk about this thing. Yo, if you let's say you see something, you must not. What? You got your way to die with that thing? Never. But anyways, other thing, Captain ACBC, woo. That nigga like the media is swambling him. If you feel I'm and then media I hear I'm funny. ACBC. Just that's not little with game like shit. Sorry about that. Yeah, you cut up my case, coach is your father. That's why no cut up and things. Yeah, I was talking about SABC like just that now you got a dirty game when it comes to media now quit as well. I feel like it's playing a dirty game, bro. Like, bro, focus on the meta shit and leave the media shit. That's it. That's what we want from you. You leave the media shit and focus on the meta shit. You put your focus there. Because of we still want to know, are you guilty or not? Because of, bro, like for real, look, it's just that KCRU is so tricky in such a way that you won't understand really. What the fuck? Oh, fuck it. You won't understand because of like it's tricky. There's no witness, and it's even psycho, bro. Like that means even him is good lawyers, bro. Like if you have good lawyers, you will beat the fucking case if you have good lawyers. But when it comes to SABC, it's either you found guilty or not because of whatever we have to find out who killed her or what happened to her. Did you? And the problem is that if he's not found guilty and we all have sampled him, one, I'm gonna say about one, just that I didn't give them. But I feel like SABC will, I feel like it definitely no kisi, yeah. I've been on the card over September and the card is still a kiss or trauma. Arkoana, the made a kiss, Mara. It definitely, Royo, they were definitely. Royo, they were definitely. Only I reach go figure opera. Udo found guilty na. Moniona, akusukuti wasifandiwe guilt ngona asikusingisi wasifandiwe guilt unazvezveta izvo naona singofandwa guilt and arara singofandwa guilt ne imwe problem nayo kuru mara ndimanono always I feel like I think like sponsor chirwani chachirudza I feel like it's end rent ndicho nesponsor chirwani chachirudza ngona because of aukadhiwana partnership nji mwana webikers uzira kubhaya dziguru kana waringisa dziguru. So I feel like I will bounce back like Wendrick. You know when Wendrick wavo like wabuya ngendira like out yavavo nandere wabuya ngai pro like avala ndobuya ngendira Wendrick now like ndoti vana vavana motive like for real like vatonga Wendrick avalali na motive blindly boy like that's that content yawo iyeyo ndiyawo iyeyo hauna muntu anangaita like and kumwana. So I feel like and it's more unique, there's no one anangazviitira zvofana nazvavo kumwana. So and ende uziva kuzviita consistently. So I feel like even though uzvisva zvizvizva zvakare zvoulisa mja it's unique, so the content is unique. So I guess we just have to see what they tell me vachipedza chikoro singona just have to see uri kuzoita mini musi wemwendirika vachipedza chikoro tokonoona zvinhu rakawozoita mini. Okay, as a TGR player botiropa chaiwo the highly anticipated song nendikariyurindiriwo. So one thing about the song, I feel like the song is a TikTok song. Like when I say it's a TikTok song, I mean like it just has a part that's a party yatakasa ngonga ye la party ye ya trend ngonga. I guess that's a disadvantage for the songs dzine dzatrenda ka TikTok before they get dropped. Ngomwana ngene track happens it's been trending in TikTok for a while. So namusi ndichitsala ndichibva ne hela part ye ine ikotakadza ka song yeyo ne ndiyo ne part ine nikodha naipfeka nditakadza ne okay cool noinoipfa. Then part imwe lani ya JR Player, like did JR Player deliver na did he deliver ngandire ye apa or yachinja vese. I guess zvizonoita zvasani. I guess JR Player has to go and change the verse and do a better verse than verse yaoita macho. But I feel like JR Player of course wachinja verse apo la. Come on. Actually why you chingwa I guess none as nanda. Why chingwa players don't play entertainment? Why someone players don't play and assert entertainment when it comes to the spacing of what of the shit? I guess that's not important. But the song is good. I guess the song is good. But I feel like it's a TikTok song. That's how I feel. It's a TikTok song. So we just have to see if they're doing like shit like your music video. I guess of course it's gonna trend because of it's February way drop as well. We're gonna drop we're gonna one date. Never they drop we're entering into February. Gotta have someone ngosimbizo nojachewo inonomutu ngona of course it's gonna trend ngona mara for being that song that it will be last. I guess it will not last ngona like for the song to be like that's what it's a TikTok song, it won't last. That's how it is. So I guess Mariani is a good song. It's good, and Asuri Mini like I haven't bumped into it like in the track like literally. I feel like even today I bumped into it like 4 times. Like just when I hear it because of the first time I hear it, like I feel like because of it was late, and like you don't cheap, and I feel like that song, like I don't know, the party because of his love. I feel like it's because of Midtown don't. Marandi party, yeah. I think I said I felt like does not have that quality that I hear on the TikTok video. So I've just like, it's the same song. Like this song, does not have that quality. Is it? But now the one party pia nikuamba na pala party. You say binen kutu wandomu wana wakuma. Ani pala kinila party. Ngamrau ngange ya party matumuni ya tumuimba ona pala. Like just listen to it like carefully. Nito quality yonina because of atiri nyazdiwa zori ti unazi culture shangoni dona naye asati ana culture ya vatu vavo vane even though rangare song I mean aina quality ya so you culture with the no that won't happen. The song is quality because of it's a cult kumwana vapfa zvezvo ndi zvine zvava zvone ndi zvazvo ndi zvazvina fungani ndile avanyangori uve na muntu anenge vakwambira. So I guess Mara is a good song. I guess it will get streamed a lot. Shout out to they're doing music with Virgin Music Group. Like I feel like they're doing it with it, if I'm not mistaken, because of I feel like both of them distribution wise they are being distributed by William Bucks under Marshall Nation, even though Asate is not signed under Marshall Nation, but they do, as of course, Nigeria plays signed to. Is he still under signed under Marshall Nation? Because of you told us it's a 2-year deal. I don't know if it's still signed, but maybe give them an album that's maybe with an option to sign again. I don't know. Maybe with an option to sign. But we just have to see. What Ocho sign one come here nation. My Arab is out. That like yes, we understand it's my cousin. We should never underestimate my cousin. But I'm not worried about my cousin. I'm worried about Dr. Scar. BT lani mfana na BT. Dr. Scar number one. I find number one. Like listen to BT number one. Niche sena inile ama Arab. Like nitoto zwisho zuri beating and beating tea, like, oh, because of the producer like it's the same style. But I feel like it should like, there and there, like, put some things, because of it, I can't be this, like, put the same things over and over again, and we listen to it, and it's the same thing. Bro, like, no, come with other things. Come on, nah, come with other things. Nah, I'm just not impressed, bro. Like, yes, Makazi came and do what she does best, But when it comes to the beat, I'm just not impressed, bro. Like, real talk, like, literally, I'm not impressed when it comes to the beat. No, bro, gotta put up the work, bro. Like, bro, like, the beat is the same, bro. Like, ah, just give us a different type of beat, bro. Like, rikunya uri marapu yeri ibe trekini radzi bariko chinanga yo ya nike pa ona because of makazi ramudiva niti mara if beat is so I yela beat no yela rorungisila ona yela beat rorungisa and rorungisa I just that makazi nalishinisa as their beat makers lizos kodwa nkina la buya naye mina after that lo buya naye after that lo buya naye makazi hayi every time a tshi release album u tou vha na beatmaker ine a khou ḓa nayo ya beatmaker yo ḓo i khou ḓi album khulwane ḓo i khou ḓi album khulwane ḓo i khou ḓi album khulwane ḓo ḓi album khulwane ḓo ḓi album ḽi ḓo and makazi asi muthu ane a ḓo no Master KG u fana Master KG they always has hits every year. Makazi, whatever she does, she will always have a hit. She will be number one. You can't stop her. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, like, shit has been going on in Limpopo. What else has been going on? Not us. This side. This side. Ooh. I see Ngwazian. Who's that guy? I don't even know his name, bro. But I know him. But if you know about the video that I'm talking about. They were like fighting. Like, I literally, at the first, when they hooked me, because of they had to do that intro. When I see, like, I think I just put water, Like, I was like thinking it's blood because of I was seeing was coming. I'm like, oh, they're pushing content. Like, yo, bro, like, hey, was can fucking hit you. Quasi. Daninga walk around no. Ana limelithanda kheli linga ngazi engwazobhala ngazi awugonya xivanga man u fanele nga le danda so le wulu kheli aluve ya awutola mina asuku wala mno bhalo ula training zone u train wa Tshivenda fhala man awu training ngandreni kongana zamba kha punching bag man ro jara panga madinga yana ngoma matombo ngaloko to dia lami no bhalo lana nalino man ngwazi sesimbedzero bhali nozindwana ngwazi leko so ale yapenga iri yengo vili yelo ne yebo vala vanhu vano ṱoḓi vhudza uri Venḓa una munna ndine muṅwe na muṅwe na a khou ḓa nga mavili khaḓi mara una zwinaḓi zwinaḓa zwi hone Venḓa zwo to zwi nga mu taptere na ḽi ḓo ri ngwazi a ndi na hayi mavhali ya shumisa mishonga awu mangala khulwane lo wa mangala si tsha vhona la khokho la uya wa penge amavhali ya maṅwe ngori oṱhe u ḓo na ambara dzi thaidzo kana a khou dzi tsireledza hayi shumisa mishonga fhedzi ngwazi lelwa musango ngwazi vhaṅwe vha vhanna vhonga vha ḓi itela vha ḽi boy mara nna tshiṅwe tshine nda zwi vhona ṅwala ḽova ḽo ya dzi nthuni dzi gai nga haningei ḽo ṱolwa like dzibokiseni haningei wo to alia na dzi glove na mini vha to dzhena like vha ḓo ṋamela dzi ring vha vho to phara na zwa street ngari vha vhoya ngani ndi Durban ngari ndi Durban houḽa muno ḓo lia dzibokiseni no story sometimes we lack resources ngwana imana nga u to bva na mathomoni like ḓo bva khou ndi ngwazi a vhona uri na potential a ḓo dzhiiwa ngwazi la trainiswa dzibokisini kana dzi MMA man dzi MMA fighter ḽi khou ḓo posa mavili yoṱhe haḽa ḓo ḽi tshi ḓo lia ngwazi ḽa ḽi ḓo vhea fhasi dzi ṱhanga Go Javante takes it. I let the level the general according to like we are fast. Hey, but that nigga is cruel, bro. What was his name? Is Javante takes yo, bro. Hey, like it's a boxing himself. Hey, bro, like that nigga like I don't think like it's 23 not or 29 not. Hey, bro, like that nigga feeling niggas ass, bro. Yeah, like all of them, like, huh. Now if I try guys, see us. I fight this other one last year.